Okay, my people, I say make I drop this update. It's too sharp. I don't notice say newbies don't know questions wey dem dey ask. Just the chat people or the comment, they say carry me along, follow me along, I dey your back, I dey with you, put me along. That no be questions wey you dey ask now. I dey tell people say me too, I don't know everything. I still dey ask people questions. I still dey go some people inbox. Even newbies, I still dey ask them questions. Imagine newbie dey make $10 with $1. That no be 10x. If you ask me how you take dey use $1 make $10, if he tell you you wey be OG, you fit put 100k make your 1 million, you still get the concept. I still dey ask questions. I still dey talk to newbie. I still dey tell them Hafa, because the more lazier and the less income you have, the more you dey manage. And if you fit dey double or triple or x5 what you get, e mean say when you add more funds to it, you go quadruple am. You understand the whole concept? So now I go list 12 questions when I believe say newbies or anybody supposed to dey ask anybody when you wan get into blogging. Let's go. Number one, what are your traffic sources? E good make you ask person wetin be traffic sources, where you take dey send traffic come the website. This money you dey make na from Google, na from direct users, abi na paid advertisement platform? That one na one question wey you go ask OGs or anybody you dey talk to. Number two, which country you dey target and why? People dey target country because of boosting of RPM and CPC. People dey target countries because of e dey get many clicks at cheaper rate. Ask questions like this. Number three, which ad creative you dey use to dey send this traffic? Na link clicks, na messenger, or na others if na Facebook? Na push notification, na pop ads, abi na direct link if na other networks? Ask questions like this. Number four, which type of campaign you dey run? How the campaign be? Na campaign about sexy lady, na campaign about aeroplane, na campaign about people wey dey live in Canada, na campaign about family wey dey together, na campaign about people wey dey travel, na campaign about people wey dey look for jobs, na campaign about people wey dey find visa, na campaign about people wey just dey happy. Number five, what is your budget? Wetin be your budget? How much you dey spend and wetin be the ROI? The person fit tell you say I dey spend $50 per day and I dey make $250. You go understand say okay, make I try spend 10k, make I try spend 1k. You go ask wetin be your ad budget and the ROI. Number six, which type of blog you dey run? Wetin be your niche? Na scholarship, na travel, na football, na jobs, find women on the blog, na this, na that. You just ask questions like this to give you direction. Even if say na wetin you dey do, still ask questions. E dey make sense for you to get 1 or 2 tips. Number seven, which type of content you dey use on the blog? Wetin be your primary text like? Wetin be your heading? Wetin be your call to action, which is CTA? Wetin be your creative? I don fit talk this one before. So you ask questions. Number eight, where you dey send this traffic to? To your homepage, to category, to selected posts? Ask questions like this so that you go know which one dey convert. The idea is make you for know dey test so many things. In fact, it is even good you ask questions so that you go even know the direction of what to test. Number nine, which type of ads you dey use? Na AdSense, ADX, abi na other ad network? You just have to also ask. Okay, you dey send people to a viral page or a form before they dey land your website, abi you just dey send people directly to your website? You go ask them this number 10 question. E dey important. Number 11, how you take dey place your ads? You dey place ads for header, that is above the fold. You dey place ads within your paragraphs. How many ads you dey place within your paragraph? You know they use auto ads, abi you dey use auto ads? How your placement be like? This one dey important. 12th and the last, wetin be the length of post wey you dey write for your blog? Na all those ones wey be say the post go long, 5,000 words, abi na 1,000 words, abi na short post? Which type of post? So my brother, it's good to ask questions. It makes sense, it bam to ask questions. So many of these questions, 12 questions when I ask, you can find it in the previous videos when I don't make. It's good say if this one are the first videos you dey watch, make sure say you watch previous videos, and make sure say you dey subscribe on our YouTube pages and follow us on various social platforms. Until then, I don't hear.